Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying admin access because uninstalling system apps needs it. Once signed in, open Settings with Windows plus I. This saves clicks. Next, go to Apps, then Apps and Features so you can locate Xbox Game Bar quickly. If you don't see it immediately, use the search box inside Apps and Features, type Xbox Game Bar. Make sure Windows updates aren't running, that can block changes. Now you're positioned to begin the actual removal step. You'll click the Xbox Game Bar entry and choose Uninstall. This initiates the built-in removal flow. When a confirmation appears, accept it. Windows may ask for admin approval. Provide it. After the uninstaller runs, some residual components require a reboot, so restart when prompted to complete file cleanup. Once Windows restarts, return to Apps and Features and verify it's gone. If optional features still list components, remove those as well so background services don't restart. If settings won't remove the app, open PowerShell as an administrator to force uninstall. The command getapps package *Xbox Gaming overlay *remove apps package removes the package for your user. Once done, sign out and back in, or reboot to ensure the overlay stops loading. If removal is blocked by corruption, run sfc/scano and dism restore health, then retry. If problems persist, create a temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.